Hey friends, today I, Akansha and Parthesh, under the guidance of Professor Abdul Quadir, are going to teach you the installation steps for QEMU and KVM. So, what exactly is QEMU? QEMU is a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. It is free and open source tool that allows users to create and manage virtual machines inside the host operating system. The resources of the host operating system, such as hard drive, RAM, processor, will be divided and shared with the guest operating systems that we usually call as virtual machines. When used as a machine emulator, QEMU can run OSs and programs made for one machine, example a AMD board, on a different machine, example your own PC. By using dynamic translation, it achieves very good performance. And let me give you a brief introduction about KVM. KVM is a kernel based virtual machine. It is a virtualization extension for the Linux kernel. KVM requires a processor and hardware virtualization support, which we will check later in this tutorial. There are many operating systems that are supported by KVM, which includes Linux, BSD, Solaris, Windows, and others. So let us start with the installation of QEMU and KVM. We would be installing it together along with libvirt, which we will show you later in this tutorial. So first of all, we need to check whether our system supports the we'll show. Before you proceed with the installation, you must confirm that your system supports KVM. As mentioned earlier, it requires hardware virtualization support in the CPU. So we need to type the following command to check the compatibility. Here as we can see that the BMX is shown in the red color. That means my system is compatible for KVM. If it's showing SVM in red color, then also your system will support, because what happens is in BMX it is based on Intel and SVM is AMD. For installing KVM and QEMU, we need to have the following packages. So we are going to install the packages as QEMU, QEMU KVM, libvirt, Ubuntu VM Builder, Bridge Utils, VIT Manager, VIT Viewer, and libvirt bin. So the packages are being installed. It may take time depending upon your internet connectivity. As we can see, it is downloading the packages, then it is unpacking it and selecting. So after the installation is complete, we need to create a KVM guest machine. For it, we have already installed VIT Manager. So now we will fire VIT Manager command. This should start the VIT Manager application for you. So as we can see here, we have two virtual machines which I have already configured. For you, I am doing it once again. We are going to create a new virtual machine. We'll select local install media, that is the ISO image, because I am already having the ISO image in my system. We'll browse for the location. I'm trying to install Ubuntu 14.0 for server. Select the OS type, that is the Linux, and Ubuntu 14.10. Click on forward. There's an error, so let us try and connect this error. So we have selected our ISO image. Click on forward. Allocate the RAM and CPU. Let it set to be default, and then we need to assign storage for it. Let it be 8 GB. Click on finish, and your operating system would get installed inside your virtual machine. As we can see that the operating system is telling us to be installed. So install your Ubuntu system inside your virtual machine. Do the settings, and that's all for the day. We are done with the installation of KVM and QEMU. Thank you and have a nice day. Hey friends, in the previous half of the video we have seen the installation of KVM. Now we will create a virtual machine using QEMU. First, create the virtual hard disk image for the new VM. For example, let us create a 20 GB size hard disk. We'll create an image, QEMU image, create. Let us give the name of image as 1.img and the size, that is 20 GB. It is formatting a 1.img image right now. So to boot the virtual machine, run the following command. Hey, our Ubuntu is installed in QEMU as well. So and as we are learning in this tutorial how to create a virtual machine using KVM and QEMU. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.